SQ2 is simulation-based exam. So you will perform client interviews, write attendance notes after those interviews, appear in the court, making your submissions in front of a judge. You will write letters to the clients, analyze their matters, handle legal research, and draft different documents. This exam is assessed in 5 areas of law: business law, property practice, wills administration of estate, civil litigation, and criminal litigation. So how long does it take to prepare? Again, we have to take into account a few factors. First, do you have legal experience? Do you have legal experience in the UK, or at least those common law jurisdictions which are very similar to the UK? Secondly, is this legal experience relevant to the actual assessment? Finally, have you ever attended a legal practice course, which is helpful because it's kind of foundations for this exam? And obviously, your job and family commitments. Let's talk about timing now. Let's start from the easiest cases this time. So if you just passed the SQ1, you are working as a paralegal in some local UK law firms. I think you may proceed with the next SQ2. Better not to delay if it's possible, because your knowledge is still fresh, because you have this understanding of the English legal system, you work in it as a paralegal. You just passed the SQ1, which was one of the toughest exams. If you passed the SQ1, let's say a few years ago, or even 1 year, maybe it's better to test the waters, to have one-to-one mock. You can easily book it on our super exam platform and see as to your knowledge. Try to do it as per exam condition, because our task would be then to assess your readiness. Maybe then you would have to delay the exam and revise the law properly. But this gives you a fair chance to see where you stand. It's way better and cheaper than go for the exam, spend almost £3,000. Also, definitely you'll have some training, and then it all may turn into a huge amount of money. So you're not saving anything. It's better to have a mock before in order to decide if to proceed or when to proceed. If you are LPC grad, who obviously was exempt from the SQ1, and then it depends when you passed your LPC, but LPC is going away. So there are many grads who did it years ago, sometimes really many years ago. In this case, you may need some time to revise 5 areas of practice, plus a little bit of substantive law. And it may take you, it depends on the commitments, from 3 months to 6 months. If you're very busy at work, which may happen, go for 9 months, but be prepared. So, to summarize, if you passed the SQ1 just recently and you work in the UK, go for the next SQ2. Don't delay. It may take you from 3 to even 1 month to prepare. No problem with that. If you passed the SQ1 long time ago, 1 year plus you don't have experience in the UK, maybe it will take you something about 9 months or 6 months, depending. If you still have experience in the UK, I think it's helpful. Maybe six months will be enough. If you are an LPC grad who was exempt from the SQ1 and you passed your LPC a long time ago, think about 6-9 months of preparation. If you passed your LPC just recently, maybe 3 months will be enough. Even quicker. We can help you with that. We actually have the program which is very flexible, so you can just go and purchase whatever you need, either lectures with notes, or maybe you need training. It may be one-to-one with a private tutor, or we also have some group sessions.